Okay, we're back. So let's look at the code first. So remember the flowchart that we did, right? So what we need to do, we need to first have a while loop. So while is okay. So let's do the variables first because I want to know, I want to see what kind of variables we need, right? So we need a, oops, sorry, no. So what we need an int, right? We need an int. This is our left pointer, which is starting with 0, and also we need an int right pointer, and also starting on 0. And also we need to have some sort of thing to track the longest. And then for now the longest is 0 because, and then at the end we need to return the longest. Okay, so I put our thoughts here. So okay, so the first is we need to break down, and then we ask set, does the set has this? If no, then we can add to the set, number 1, and then now the second step is move the r++, right? Because now we have a new duplicate, and then we can increase the window. And then after that, we can ask, is this current set size is bigger than our current longest? If no, if yes, then we update it. If no, then we just keep the longest. Now we go back to this one. And then now here is our yes. If that's yes, then we need to remove the most left from the set. Remove left. And also we need to shrink the sliding window by adding the left pointer plus plus. And now we go back to this. Okay, so this is our chart. All right, so let's do the no first. So because the right pointer is the one who will reach the end first. So now we need to, okay, so this line and this line, this entire thing is will be in the while loop, right? So while r is smaller than the string length, right? Now here is our the entire loop. We'll loop this, and then here is I++, because we'll keep asking the next one. Okay, so oh, by the way, we also need, because we need a set, right? Right here we need a set, so we need to create some set first. Set, and then what kind of things we need to put in there? Character, and then here's just call a new set. New hash set. All right. Okay, so this is our trying to find out is there's a duplicate in there. While loop, while this is less than this, now we need to know what we need to ask if if the set, right? Okay, so what's the name of the set? Okay, let's just say set. Set contains key, whatever the R is pointing to. If it doesn't contain that, okay. So if it doesn't so do we contend then that if the set doesn't have that, now we need to go to this side, right? Now we need to set the add we need to add this new thing in here. Okay, and R++. Now it's not in there, so we can increase the sliding window. Okay, so this is this area here. Okay, oh, what's next? Next, we need to ask the size and the longest, right? And then if the size, the set size is bigger than current longest, now we can update the longest equals the set size. Alright, so this is the green part, and then now we have the green part here, we have the red part here, which is this part. So okay, so now this is the set is no, so this is the no line. Alright, so what's about the other side? Let's change color to yes here. Okay, so what we need to do, if the set or else, right? So we need can only have or does not have, and set does not contain duplicates values in there, duplicates keys in there. So if not, then what? Then we need to remove the most left from the elements from the set, and also we need to shrink the sliding window by adding the left by 1. Okay, so set remove as that at char at L, right? So we need to remove this from the set, and also we need to shrinking the sliding window, adding that. So we need to decrease the size of sliding window. Some may ask why if, okay, so that's the basic idea, and then now we just need to return the longest, because we just keep checking that on the yellow green part, because in this step we'll just keep checking that longest, and then eventually we'll return the longest here. Okay, so that's how I think about it. Right now let's pause the video here.